the Premier service. Nice. It's a busy train because I think it's come from Holyhead, I believe. Ouch. So it's the first time ever on board the Premier service. So I think this has come from Holyhead, I believe, earlier this morning, or could be Llandudno. So I can charge up my phone now because I have 40 minutes on this train. Oh, there's the charge.
Croeso ar drên Trafnidiaeth Cymru. Byddwn yn teithio I Manceinion Piccadilly.
Nice.
Yn Galwan, Wilmslow, Stockport,
At Manceinion Piccadilly. Or Transport for Wales. We'll be travelling to Manchester Piccadilly.
Calling at Winslow, Stockport, and Manchester Piccadilly.
This is like the first time. I think this is East Coast, I believe. But correct me if I'm wrong or anything. So I think this train has come all the way from Crewe, aka Holyhead. I think it left at 6 AM, I believe, or 7, or something like that. Then it goes by Shrewsbury, Hereford, maybe. Not definitely sure of the calling pattern of this service. But I got my tickets as well, just in case. Upgrade to first class. I wouldn't mind doing that when I go to Holyhead in the next few months.